Okay, welcome to the tutorial quickly for how to publish your website. So we're going to go through this quickly, and this is what you'll need to do for the submission if you haven't done it already. So let's say this is your web page that you've built. So this is the example one that I'm going to use. When you're ready to go, click Publish. Okay, it's going to get this. You'll see this. Okay, awesome. I'm going to click Publish, and it's going to do its thing. Excellent. So now it's live on the World Wide Web for everyone to see. But you're not done yet. Normally you would come and share with me. I'm not asking you to share this with me because then I see your editing version. And I don't want to see your editing version. I want to see your real product that's on the website. I'm sorry, that's on the World Wide Web. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to the drop-down arrow, click it, and I'm going to click on View Published Site. So you're actually going to see what it would look like on the internet now. Play through it, everything, but this is an example. So I'm going to come up here to the URL. I'm going to left click or highlight it all, and then I'm going to right click and click copy. Now this is the same for economics and U.S. history students, all the same. So you notice today we have our due date 11:59 p.m. So for example, I would go here, if that was it. But the difference is you are going to see a different screen because this is my master copy as a teacher, you're a student, so it looks a little different. But you would simply just go in there, click on the link submission where it says add, and you're good to go. Very simple. But what I need you to submit this link here on your official one, not the one that is this one, your editing version. I need the one after you publish it, you go to your View Published Site and give me that link. Very simple. Again, you go into Classroom, click add, drop down, click the little link thing, paste it in, click turn it in. I promise you no more than 2 minutes. Very simple. But again, U.S. history, economics, it's the exact same way. Just remember the due date's 11:59 p.m. this evening. The link needs to be there. And what I will say on this, whenever you make changes in here, so let's say, for example, I went in and I made a new page, everything like that, and I keep working on my web page, you're not going to see the final version on the World Wide Web unless you click Publish again. So what it's doing is it's just going to show you the last one you published. So my recommendation would be, as you're working on it, and you want people to see it on the internet, click Publish again. If you don't want people to see the new version because you're still working on it, don't click Publish because it still has the old one. You're good to go. I hope that's helpful, but that's what I expect from you. Good luck. I know you're all going to do fantastic, and it's going to be a lot of fun looking at them. Take care, guys.